Hey guys, what's going on? Are you able to hear me properly? I think not because the AC is on. Let me turn it off. Hey Google, turn off the AC.
Sure, turning the air conditioning off.
So welcome to TechTipper channel, and this is the topic of this video. I'm going to tell you how you can convert your normal AC or any other device that is controlled by an IR remote. You can convert it into a smart device which can be controlled using voice commands using the Google Assistant or Alexa. So I'm using a small device. It's a smart universal remote controller. It's available on Amazon for around 1200 rupees. You can connect it with Google Home or Alexa and use voice commands to control your IR enabled devices such as this air conditioner. To connect it or link it with your smart assistant, I'm going to connect it with my Google Home. So you need to turn it on. You can power it on using USB cable is available along with the device. You will have to use mobile charger or any USB power device or any adapter that can power a USB device. Once you have powered it on, there is a small button that you need to press for 5 seconds. Then there is a blue light that starts blinking, which means it is in power mode, and you can install Smart Home app. I'll put the link in the description. So there is a small booklet in the box also which has a QR code. You can scan it and it will take you to the App Store or Play Store where you can install the Smart Home app. It's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Once you pair it, you can add remote for AC, for TV. There are a lot of options available. Like I had to add a remote for my AC, so I selected AC, and then it gives you a lot of options, the frequency and all. So you will have to test which one works, and then you can pick that remote and add it, and it will be linked to the Google Assistant and you will be able to use it to control your AC. And I just gave you a demo of turning it on and turning it off. You can also control the temperature, like you can ask it to set it to a particular temperature. It will do that for you. And now you might be thinking, what is the use? You can simply use the remote given to you by the company, but it makes your life little easy. Like not every time you have got your remote handy, so you can use your voice command to turn off, turn on your AC or any infrared enabled device. And there are actually a lot of use cases for this device. Since it turns regular devices into smart devices, you can control them from anywhere as long as you have internet connection. Like if you're outside, you can launch the Smart Home app, the app that I was talking about, and then you can turn on the AC if you're a few minutes away from your home, so that you enter your home and the temperature is already maintained as per your liking. This is one of the use cases. There are many other use cases such as timer. The remote also has got timer, like you can set 1 hour timer, 2 hour timer, but it is not smart, it is not enhanced. With smart capabilities, you can automate the process. Like you can program it like an alarm, like it goes off, the AC gets turned off every 5 a.m. every day at 5 a.m. I'm not using all the capabilities, but this option of controlling your AC using voice commands. And it is not just AC, there are a lot of supported devices. Any device that is controlled by an IR remote will probably work. For example, I have also got a smart TV here, and it is also linked to my Google Assistant, so I can use voice commands to play something on the TV, but it has Bluetooth remote, and if it is turned off, it does not accept my voice command because it is offline. So whenever I have to use voice commands on TV, if you want to play something, I have to manually turn it on. And I was checking whether my TV supports IR or not, and apparently it does. And the remote is something like this. This is Bluetooth enabled. So now I configured this universal remote control with this TV and linked it to Google Assistant, and now I can control my TV using my voice commands. Like I can turn it on also, so I don't need this remote to turn on my TV anymore. Currently I have only 2 devices that are working with this IR remote, which means that it can work with multiple devices. For me, it is on my table and my TV is just behind it and my AC is just in front of it. but it's still able to control both the devices. And the infrared is pretty strong. And the thing about infrared is that it jumps from wall to wall. So if it throws signal, the infrared rays, they are jumping from the wall to wall, and they eventually go to the device it is meant for. So you can control it if you place it strategically. Like if you have got a big hall where there are a lot of multiple devices, infrared enabled devices, there is a TV, there is an AC, you can place this strategically, and then you can control all the devices using just your voice or even your smartphone. There is the Google Assistant in smartphones as well. Or if you don't want to use voice commands, you can use the smart remote available on your mobile phone. So a single remote for all your devices. I'll put the link in the description in case if you're interested to buy. Nothing life-changing, but it really does make your life easy. So this is it in this video. I hope you liked it, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care.